So when I've turned the machine on, suppose I want to use 1/4 inch, because the great thing about this machine is you can leave the regular straight stitch foot on. And if I just take this foot off and hold it, the camera can see the regular straight stitch foot. There is the regular straight stitch foot. This foot is brilliant for doing all your sewing because it has a flat bottom. Oh, to have a flat bottom. Now I can put this foot on, but if I use the foot with the needle in the middle, I don't get my accurate 1/4 inch. How I can do it very easily with this machine, and indeed with quite a lot of Janome, his brothers, and many machines of similar sort, is I can do it by moving the stitch width. If I'm in regular straight stitch, I can move the stitch length, the stitch width rather, to the right distance from the edge of the presser foot. So by moving the stitch width, I can set the needle at the right distance from the edge of the presser foot. All I do is simply hit this, which is your stitch width, set the measurement at 5.5. This now sets my needle at exactly 1/4 inch from this edge of the presser foot. That distance is 1/4 inch.